If you are wanting to apply this dimensional magic to clay, let me show you how professional, glossy, and thick this product is. So I made these animal pins out of clay and I painted them with gouache. I'm going to show you how easy this is to apply. I'm using the tip of the bottle and just adding on one thin layer to the middle of my clay pin. As you can see, it applies a little opaque, but it will dry clear and you'll be able to see what I've painted underneath. I'll then start spreading the product out to the edges of the surface, carefully leveling the product out and removing any bubbles that may appear. But you do have to move quickly because it starts to dry within a minute or so. After I have my surface leveled, I let it dry for 24 hours. And the final result is so beautiful, glossy, and dimensional. Definitely looks as nice as an epoxy resin, but without the extra hassle of supplies and lights. This is my preferred final varnish for my clay pieces. I definitely recommend this for clay artists.